an intruder, eating all the food out of my refrigerator. In bare feet! So unsanitary. Ed? You practically scared me out of my one-size-fits-all pajamas. Do you know what time it is? Ed? Don't make me use this. You ate Jim. Ed, cacti have feelings just like you. Hold it right there, Mr. Ed. Stop! Where are you going with all my food? Ed, they'll spoil. Ed, come back here and close this refrigerator door. Ed! I need to wake Eddie. Oh dear, a paradox. I hope he doesn't wake Jimmy. This is not good.